Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video I am gonna teach you how to use WhatsApp on your laptop. Let us search it in Google bar. Okay, let's click on the first link given in the suggestion list provided by Google. How to open WhatsApp on laptop. You will find information about using the laptop on your laptop, and if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. First we will have to open a browser on a laptop and go to WhatsApp web. You can simply write whatsappweb.com in your URL bar, or you can also search it on Google with WhatsApp web. After the first link is opened, now open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the overflow button. Overflow button means the three dots given at the top right corner of the WhatsApp. In your mobile screen, after opening the WhatsApp application, you will have to just tap on the three dots provided on the right top corner. Now after tapping on these three dots, you will be redirected to a drop down list. Here you will click on WhatsApp web and then you will have to click an OK on it. Now point your phone towards your laptop. After opening WhatsApp web on your laptop, you will find a screen showing a QR code, and after pressing the WhatsApp web link on your mobile, there will be a camera scanning option. Now you will have to point your phones towards your laptop and scan the QR code shown on the WhatsApp web on your laptop. Once you have scanned that QR code, your mobile WhatsApp will be connected with the WhatsApp web of the laptop. After connecting, you can use all the features of WhatsApp on your mobile into your laptop, and you can use it while using laptops or your computers. You can log out either from your mobile or directly on the laptop. If you are willing to just sign it off, then you can just log out from the mobile device or the laptop device. Okay, this website also tells us about how to install WhatsApp on Windows laptop. If you want to install WhatsApp, then you can click on this link below. Discover the future of SaaS in India. You can this is an ad. Basically you can register on this given link and you will be redirected to the process. Okay, if you don't want to use the browser to log into your WhatsApp, you can also install the app on your laptop. By installing that app on your laptop, you can just access it through your laptop instead of using it through your mobile. To begin, use a browser and go to WhatsApp's download page. You will be redirected to a link of download for Windows, that is 64-bit. If your laptop is working on 64-bit, then you will find the link there. Now click on the whatsapp.exe file and install it. After installing it, you can launch your WhatsApp app on your laptop and scan the QR code from your smartphone to log in. Okay, this video tells the whole story about using the WhatsApp on your laptop. If you need any more questions to be answered, then you can ask in the comment box and I will try to answer all of your queries regarding technology updates. Thank you.